class. It was good to meet my hybrid partially online students today. I just wanted to follow up and just make sure everyone was able to register to my accounting lab. Since I didn't have the computer on the screen, just wanted to go over it one more time where you could actually see it. This is the Blackboard course. So the link that you need to click on is course information. If you click on that, you're going to see that very top link. It says Inclusive Access Materials. You're going to click on that. And then you should only see this option, Accounting 120, Principles of Financial Accounting 01P. So if you click on View Course Materials, you're next going to click on that Acquire Code button. And there is your 16-digit access code. So you are going to select all of that. And then you're going to right-click, click Copy. All right, and then you should still have that Blackboard page open. You're going to go back to the Blackboard page, and then you're going to scroll down, click on My Accounting Lab. You're going to click on that. And then your options say look a little differently because I'm in the instructor view. But if you click on My Lab, Mastering Course Home, mine's going to directly take me to My Accounting Lab because I'm an instructor and I'm in the instructor view. But yours should go to the Pearson registration page where you have to create an account, and you may even have to click this box and then click Launch. But you're going to paste your 16-digit code in that area, create a Pearson account, and then you should be directed to the My Accounting Lab course. So let me close out of this and let me go to your section. That way you'll see the right section number up there. Okay, My Accounting Lab. Okay, so it should direct you after you've entered in the code, after you've registered. You should be directed to this course homepage. This is My Accounting Lab. This is where you're going to do all your homework and your quizzes and your tests. How to access the EText. This left-hand navigation bar, it should say Pearson EText. If you click on that, and then Launch EText, and your ebook should appear. You should have a table of contents. Go ahead and start reading chapter 1. Highly suggest you doing that before tomorrow, and especially before we meet again on Thursday. But here is the table of contents. This is chapter 1. They're labeled F and M's. We're not doing the M chapters. Those are for the managerial class. That's ACC 121. But there is the financial chapter 1 textbook. Then you can close out of that. But that's the textbook. That's chapter 1. So I would start reading that, and then obviously coming to class, watching the problems that we do in class, along with watching the other videos that I've uploaded in Blackboard. But this is the textbook. Okay, I'm going to close out of this now. And I'm going to refer you to the study plan. This is another great tool to use when you're studying. If you click on, again, I clicked on the study plan. I'm in My Accounting Lab. If you click on all chapters, if you click on chapter 1, here's all the learn objectives. So if you're struggling with the accounting equation, you can click on this learn objective, and then there's several problems that come up that you can just practice with. Any problems in the study plan do not affect your overall score, but it will help you because it'll help you master the content for assignments that do affect your score. But that's the study plan. Multimedia library. This is where I grab all of the extra videos not made by me to put in Blackboard. So for example, I'm going to click on chapter 1 in that drop down bar. I'm going to click select all. and find now, and here's all, there's so much, okay? But here's a lot of the videos that you can watch. There's the PowerPoints that you can view. Just helpful information. So my accounting lab, I went over the study plan and the multimedia library. And now I'm going to show you the assignments. So click on the assignments, click on do homework, and there you have Chapter 1 homework, Chapter 2 quiz, or sorry, Chapter 1 homework, Chapter 2 homework. It's already available. If you click this down arrow and click all, you're able to view all of those, okay? All right, now I want to show you how to find my overall average, because I hate the Blackboard Grade Center because I have to sync from my accounting lab to Blackboard, and sometimes there's a time delay. So I always tell students, go by the grade in my accounting lab. It's live, it's accurate, and there's no time delay. So to find your grade, you're going to go to My Accounting Lab from Blackboard and click on this Results tab. And then obviously there's nothing in here for right now, but all your assignments will be listed here. And if you click on Show Calculation, you'll see an overall average there. Okay, so just helpful tips and tricks. And I think that will do it. So email me with questions, and I'll see you guys again on Thursday in BC 103 from 11 to 12:15. All right, thank you.